So this is gonna suck.
If you want to do over this area, and I'll go in the dark. So that way you got the light.
Well, no, it's gonna suck because after we lay it down, so we gotta prep it. After we lay it down, it came with, see that sponge material? Yeah. So that's gonna be awful, but we're not gonna get anywhere near close to that, considering it's time to go inside. How long do you plan on doing this for?
I don't know, 9 p.m.
It's like 8:30.
That's because you're talking so much. This is just a normal day. And a bicycle is kind of a chair.
That's an e-bike. We gotta get fixed. Maya. Let's go jump in front of a bridge.
I don't know if you got a quick grinder handy, but there's a little tab of metal here that's just barely catching on stuff.
I don't know how you're even seeing what you're doing.
Because I'm not blind. That's why I said you take the lit part and I'll take the not lit part. Yeah. Part that's lit.
Oh.
Let's get lit.
You stop.
See? The camera people agree.
I hate this and I hate you.
It's because you're not lit. What? Wow. Oh, yeah.
Midnight and we're friggin'...
It keeps getting later every time you say the time. I will say all these audio wires are really nice.
They're all JL audio. Dude, look over there. I don't know if that's a splitter or what.
Oh, yeah.
But it's something fancy. It's a full hertz system. Someone invested too much money in this thing. I also found a cigarette butt back there. 1 a.m. Well, yeah, let's work on the car.
It keeps getting later. Working on the car, inconvenient times, inconvenient weather.
A black and mild wrapper.
Yeah. A nickel. Huh? Well, I'm just trying to clean this as best as I can. The purple degreaser is actually kind of leaving a greasy residue. Which is strange for a degreaser to be greasy. But here we are. So we're just using clean rags to then wipe up the greasiness left by the degreaser. Maybe that's how it takes away the grease, is it becomes greasier and then it all just gets absorbed.
No, I don't have memory.
No, but we can use the flashlight. Feel better? Yeah. Maybe it just needs a lot of pressure.
Less grease.
Pressure activated glue and less grease. It's a high pressure, no grease activation.
You wanna know what? I mean, this stuff is kind of budget friendly, the Amazon sound deadening, and it's crazy that Amazon even makes it in the first place.
Yes.
But I guess it ranks, for everything I looked at, it ranks pretty high in terms of like sound deadening ability and quality.
Or ride a roller would be good.
Oh yeah. That's basically what that thing is. That's crazy. It's gonna be a drag tow vehicle. Yeah, this stuff is fun. But that's awesome because that means it's like super effective. You got the roller? Holy shikey.
Alright, I'm going in.
Are you?
Dude, look at it. There's 18,000 mosquitoes in here. How am I supposed to close this?
Well, we should probably address why the floor is half blue. We are covering the entire floor in sound deadening. So all this blue stuff here is all sound deadening. The carpet is also getting replaced. We're putting a new carpet in it. So the front half of that is in here. Get to the back half, do some sound deadening in the trunk area back here, get on the fenders, and then do the final back section.
Me nothing. See if I have a bolt that'll fit on this stupid breaker for the amplifiers. Because I don't know where the wire I made even went, but I made, thank you. Made a wire to connect. So basically this was removed at some point, and this is the power wire, feeds the breaker. Breaker then feeds both the mono amp and the speaker amp. That doesn't solve the intermittent radio problem, but at least if we fix the radio or get the radio to turn on, we will then know if it's an amp problem, speaker problem, or maybe this was taken out because it's going to catch the car on fire. We'll find out.
Hi, I'm Kyle Hamill, and I'm in town from Portland.
And
Don't
not...
listen.
No, I won't say it.
He's not even listening.
This lays down really flat, and as you can see, we definitely didn't buy this sound deadening from a very major online retailer. So it's really high quality sound deadening, and it definitely doesn't have issues sticking.
It actually is. I'm serious. You're gonna have some smut to sort through.
Smut?
Yeah.
Did you swear a lot?
No, Melinda thought it would be a good idea to make out with me while I'm trying to find something. And all you can hear is, "Oh, you smell so good."
If it's American,
It's, doesn't seem to be, I don't know.
maybe quarter. I'm gonna say quarter or 5/16. Magic eyes.
Probably gotta go to the hardware store.
Going to the hardware store.
Woo!
Try and get a piece here. Maybe we should just accept the fact that we can't be mature
Oh,
and just go full swing into it. I want to try and get it around this bolt here and around this little bolt here. So I'll probably cut like a little circle or something to go around that, and this I might just stab a hole and see if I can get it to go through. Make the hole bigger. Oh shit. That actually kind of looks like Richard already poked it over a hole. So I'm trying to prevent this glue from basically just piling up all over the threads like it currently is.
did I do it?
No, this is me. But I think I got it. There we go.
Yeah. There we go. Check this out.
Not perfect. I'll roll it this way so you can actually see what I'm doing. Hi.
Dude,
This isn't awful. It's crawling around in this hot box.
Right?
I didn't say the F word. I said quack. Instances like this one where the goo is kind of built up around, what I'm going to do is just take the razor blade and just try to kind of gently cut around the bottom here. See if I can make this. Oh yeah, there we go. I mean, it's not perfect, but at least now It's not on the threads.
I broke the breaker. Yeah. I thought it would fit, and then I thought it would just make its own threads, but it just ended up shearing the bolt.
They must have JB Weld that's electroconductive, right?
Right. Right? Somebody answer me. Get that camera out of my face. What if we feed the smaller metal into the larger metal while there's an electric current passing through it?
Jesus.
I mean, you're the one crawling up my ass.
Jesus. Richard, you can't walk into the camera.
Alright, I gotta go get a bolt. I gotta go get a 10-cent bolt. I'll be back.
Okay.
He's a mean man.
What a mean man.
Go bananas! I don't have the patience for this. I really don't.
You set it up. You made the joke. You can't slam dunk it and get mad when I cheer.